I was hit by an 18-wheeler and smushed between a median. When people talk about your life flashing before your eyes, like, it's a real thing. My husband was like, you need to hire an attorney. I would recommend Austin Jackson because he is gonna take care of you. The law firm makes me feel like I'm part of their family. They reassure me there's always light at the end of the tunnel.